Suppose I have gave you an file which name is documentation, and in that documentation file there are thousands of lines. Now you have to search one word there. Suppose you have to search product, this word in that documentation file. So how can you search that, or what command will you use for that?
Okay, so to search a product in a documentation file, so for that I can use the grep command. So for that I can use grep, then I specify the like the word that I want to search for. This is the product. After that space, then I give the file name in which I want to search it. So if I hit enter, it will show me all the line that actually have the product word in them. So this is the one way, and another one is like the case sensitive. Like suppose I want the exact word that I want to search, like suppose the P is capital and O is small, like suppose this way. So if I want to do that, I can specify grep, then space, then hyphen W, then W means whole, means it actually give the result like as wanted. So after that, I just give the product name and the file name again. Then it will actually show me the line that actually have the case sensitive, mean the same wording, like the capital letter, small letter matches all of them.
Thank you. Nicely described.